Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco intelia espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was not grinding anything, and that was because the grinder needed to be replaced. It was seized up, nothing was moving out in here, so we replaced the entire unit and now it grinds coffee. We also replaced the valve of the brew unit, deep cleaned the brew unit itself, and replaced the over and over, as well as a good descale of this machine and just an overall cleaning of it. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out as you can hear and see the grinder spinning, and definitely grinder. And now we're gonna see water coming out from the spouts. Pre-infusion. Now extraction. As you can see, excellent water flow coming out of the spouts and really good color. Excellent shot of espresso with 2 ounces of quantity. Great. Now for the hot water. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the one. The water. Perfect. Nice steady stream coming out of the one, working perfectly fine. No leaks from the one itself or anything like that. And now for the steam. It's gonna take a little bit of time to get the steam coming out of the brew unit. Of the machine, as this thermoblock needs to get the temperature for the steamer to start producing steam. Then once it gets the temperature, the water pump will start pulsating and we're gonna see steam coming out through the one, just like that. And as you can see, steaming up perfectly fine. Excellent pressure, working great, almost burning my hand there. Perfect. And there you have it, Saeco intelia working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.